Next.
Next.
What number is this?
Cheese.
What number is this?
Car.
5.
Five.
How many toy car are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
5.
6,
5 toy cars.
5, 5.
Next. What's this?
Cheese.
19.
19.
19. Oh, what's that? A sharpener. How many sharpener are there? 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19 sharpener. Next. What is this?
Luna.
Donuts. How many donuts are there?
1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 donuts.
Oh my God.
Next.
Next.
What number is this?
3,
2.
2,
How many ribbons are there?
1,
1, 2. 2 ribbons.
Rose. One more thing.
Next, what's that? What's that? What number is that? What number is that? What number is that? Say 9.
9.
Very good. How many buttons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 buttons. Yay! Next.
X.
What's this?
X.
What number is this?
Flowers.
Flowers. Flowers. Oh, what number is this?
E.
6. Oh, count the roses.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6. 6 roses. Next.
Yes.
What number is this?
4.
Ano 4? 3.
3.
3. How many dolls are there?
1, 2,
3. Very good, Dagnay. Very good.
Mommy,
Next. Wiwi.
Mommy,
Bye-bye na ka. Bye-bye.